Here's the original I took. See the beams, light. Now, you see their faces in the light. He landed in my shed, I think. Now remember, any faces you see, like that bug looking thing right there, because I'm going to distort, skew, filter colors. I'm going to show you that no matter what, these guys came with the lighting. And you see the chicken looking guy at the bottom. Looks like a butterfly at the top right there. The face, the big ears in the middle. And just over my shed, see that snake head? His fangs right there come out. Green. And you see the little bug looking thing with the antenna sticking off of it in my yard. The trick is not to be scared when you see these things, because that's what they feed off of, your fear. And like I said, I ain't gonna lie, I see shit that scares me all the time. Like one time I was showing my nephew and I took a picture outside, and one of these big guys was leaning over the fence staring at us. And I took another picture and he wasn't there. And by the time I got to the picture, like just like this, like you see how the stuff at the bottom of the screen, that was his head. Basically like this guy's head right here. So a little round, looks like a little mole or something. But his head popped up right in front of us, like he wasn't standing on the other side of the fence anymore. He moved across my yard, and he was so big that it was just his head you could see pop up when he got that close. Now you want to filter through all different colors, basically to see what's going on, because every color is going to show you something slightly different. You see that bug looking guy there on top of the Anubis right there? I don't know if you know who he is. See his white dog ears and his black head looking over my shed right at me. Crazy, huh? But yeah, that's Anubis right there. Look him up. Egyptian god. Alright, let's switch to one of these that I've skewed. Yeah, this is just like brighter with the green tint. And I see these faces everywhere. Like you see him right there, mark on his head. And it's all about geometry, so you might be able to paint yourself, or into a safe place, like where they can't influence you. Basically, it's all about pattern and design. You see that dark figure at the bottom, and right now you'll see on top of his head, on top of his head, on top of that head, you'll see it all the way up. That's your totem pole. Now you see the big lizard leaning over my fence with his hands like reaching, his tongue come out. Now right here you'll see looks like Raiden off Mortal Kombat with his hat, with his hands out, like, you want some, who got a problem, but really he's holding those stars in his hand, each hand. That's what that symbolizes. See the face pop up from the bottom. Mark Anubis again, mark on his forehead. Let's see that golden pyramid. Looks like it has two gold batteries sitting on top of it or something. Cylinders. See the red eyes at the bottom. See, it's like a sound wave or a frequency wave. See that? See the order, the butterfly and stuff. The totem. You can also well, you can mirror it in any direction. Honestly, they'll all tell you the same story, just bits and pieces of more detail in some places. Like right now, this dot and that dot above the lights, those are eyeballs with a big black head in the background. That's the sky. This is mirrored twice. See the guy at the bottom. And basically, you're just watching where the lines meet. Now, if you see at the bottom, there's like a tower or something sticking out in black. It goes through my fence and up into the sky, you know. And then you're gonna watch. Basically, it's going up. This image is going up. And then if you look at the top, you see where it's dark or different color green and it's darker in the middle. You see how it moves down. You're basically watching your story from either top to bottom or bottom to the top, or sometimes it's both. You'll see lines coming up from both ends. But I'm gonna cut this video short because I have to crop it and send it to you.